Here's the water heater that we're taking apart. There's the that would be the top, and the bottom, and the inside. Okay, camera broke, but I fixed it. So we have our water tank here. We got two caps to close up the two top holes, and a little T here to connect to the bottom to the garden hose, which runs all the way to the house. And a little pressure gauge here so we can see how much the pressure is. And gonna turn this on in a little bit, but already can tell there's a leak here and another leak there. So yeah, set this thing up. Let's see if we get some leaks going. We are at about 10 psi. That's already leaking a little bit. That's my fault. Looks like these are kind of leaking. And over there we got a squirter. Oh. That guy is bad.